Hello kids, let's learn the colors. Green color, light green color, orange color, black color, red color, sky blue color, yellow color, and blue color. Now let's learn the alphabet and the numbers. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jackfruit. K for king. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for pineapple. Q for queen. R for rat. S for star. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watermelon. X for Xmas tree. Y for York. Z for zoo. What we learn? We learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now let's learn the numbers. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. What we learn? We learn number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, and number 10. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.